How to rearrange PDF pages in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. The Files app serves as a central hub for managing files on your device and in cloud storage. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. Go to the Location section and go to On My iPhone. You can view all your folders over here. Tap to open any folder from here. And then, open a PDF file from this folder. Here, long press on the left side of the screen to view all the pages in this file. Tap and hold the page you want to move and then place it anywhere you like among the other pages. You can repeat this to move and rearrange the other pages as well. Following these steps, you can easily rearrange PDF pages in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.